Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Nvidia card model because the driver must match. Once done, download Display Driver Uninstaller and the latest official Nvidia package. Save both to the desktop. Make a system restore point and close programs. This prevents conflicts. Next, reboot into Windows Safe Mode. This isolates graphics processes so they can fully remove remnants. You're doing a clean reset of driver state. That's why we start here, not by installing over a messy driver. You run the in safe mode and select Clean and Restart for Nvidia. This removes driver files, registry keys, and driver store entries that often break updates. After the finishes, let the machine reboot to normal Windows. Make sure Windows Update won't auto-install a basic driver. Temporarily disable automatic driver updates if needed. Keep the Nvidia installer ready. You want a pristine environment so the new package can register components correctly. This avoids driver conflicts and ensures the install can write required files. You now run the Nvidia executable as administrator and choose custom installation with clean install checked. That forces fresh settings and replaces old files. After the installer finishes, reboot and open Nvidia Control Panel and Device Manager to verify the driver version and that the GPU is listed without errors. Run a quick benchmark or game to confirm stability. If the display fails or you get errors, boot safe mode, run the again, and try reinstalling the same or a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.